Prasad, physics teacher. Good morning, my dear students. Today I will explain chapter Eat. Today discuss about topics. Explain about activity 5 and what is meant by specific Eat. Let's start the class. Explain about activity 5. Okay, question number 5. So that the rate of rise in temperature depends on the nature of the substance. This is question. Take a large jar. Take a large jar with water and heat up to 80 degree Celsius. Okay, this is jar. This is jar with hot water up to 80 degree Celsius. 80 degree Celsius. Hot water at 80 degree Celsius. 80 degree Celsius. Take two identically boiling test tubes. Okay, two test tubes with single old rubber corks. Single old rubber corks. Okay, after one of them is filled with 50 grams water. 50 grams water and the other with 50 grams of oil, both at room temperature. Okay, first test tube and second test tube. First test tube with water and second test tube with oil. Okay, see diagram. This is second test tube. Second test tube with water. Water at room temperature. Room temperature. And first test tube with oil at room temperature. Okay, see test tubes. First test tube with oil, 50 grams of oil, and second test tube with water, 50 grams. 50 grams. Okay, after insert two thermometers through holes of the corks. Okay, two thermometers. One is into two test tubes. Okay, first test tube with the thermometers is there and second test tube with thermometers is there. Now clamp them. To a restored stand. This is restored stand. And place them on the jar of hot water as shown in figure. This is figure. Okay, observe the reading of the thermometers every 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes. Every 3 minutes. Observe thermometers reading and oil and water. Note the reading your notebook. Okay, some amount of heat to water and oil because there are kept in the jar of hot water for the some interval of time. Okay, you observe the rate of rise in temperature of the oil is higher. Oil also higher. Oil also higher or increases. Increases. Oil also increases. And oil also increases. Okay, of the rise in temperature of water. Okay, this conclusion, the rate of rise in temperature depends on the nature of the substance. Okay, you see the question, this conclusion, the rate of rise in temperature depends on the nature of the substance. This is activity 5. Next topic is explain about specific heat. Okay, what is meant by specific heat? The specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of substance by 1 unit is called specific heat. I am wrote the definition. See the definition. Specific heat. The specific heat of a substance is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of substance by 1 unit. Okay, this is definition. For example, take a beaker. This is beaker. Okay, with water. Take a beaker with water. Heat up for some time and with some flame. Okay, this is stove, flame supply. Okay, water, heat, hot water 50 degree Celsius. 50 degree Celsius. Okay, after 3 minutes, not heat supply, you will see that water will cool. Water also cool. Okay, up when temperature 30 degree Celsius. Because that is specific heat. This is example. Okay. The SI unit of specific heat is J by kg into K. J means joule, kg means kilogram, K means Kelvin. The SI unit of specific heat is joule by kg into Kelvin. Okay, next one, the CGS. CGS means C means centimeter, G means grams, S means seconds. The CGS unit of specific heat is calorie by grams into Celsius. Okay, G means grams. Okay, after that, it is given by the formula S is equal to Q by M into delta T. Okay, S is equal to Q, capital Q, by small m delta T. Okay, S is equal to specific heat. Q, capital Q is equal to amount of heat. Small m is equal to mass. T is equal to temperature. Okay, delta T, change in temperature. This is specific heat formula. S is equal to capital Q by small m into delta T. The SI unit of specific heat is J by kg into K. J means joule, kg means kilogram, K means Kelvin.